The Snipex Alligator is Ukraine's deadliest sniper rifle, a true beast on the battlefield. With an astonishing range of 7 kilometers, it ensures pinpoint elimination within 2 kilometers, making it one of the most fearsome long-range weapons ever created. Firing .57 caliber rounds, this monster tears through walls, armored vehicles, and enemy defenses with ease. Measuring 6.6 feet in length and weighing a massive 25 kilograms, it requires a 2-man team just to transport. This isn't just a sniper rifle, it's a game changer in modern warfare. As the longest and most devastating rifle in the world,